Tom is a young man. He is 20 years old. He lives in a small town. The town is quiet. There are small houses, a few shops, and one school. People in the town know each other. Life is simple. Tom's house is near the river. Every morning, Tom wakes up early. He drinks tea and eats bread with butter. Then he walks to the small shop to buy food for his family. Tom's life is calm, but sometimes he feels bored. He wants to see more of the world. One sunny morning, Tom receives a letter. The letter is from his old friend, David. David lives in a big city. The city is far from Tom's town. In the letter, David writes, "Dear Tom, please come to the city. I want to show you my new home and my new job. The city is big, but it is beautiful. We can walk in the park, visit shops, and eat in restaurants. I hope you can come soon. Your friend, David." Tom is very happy. He reads the letter again and again. He tells his mother about the letter. She smiles and says, "Yes, Tom, go and see your friend. You are young. You need to see new places." Tom decides to go. Tom packs his bag. He puts in clothes, bread, water, and a book. In the morning, he goes to the small train station. The train comes with a loud sound, choo, choo. Tom gets on the train. The train is fast. Tom looks out the window. He sees green fields, cows, trees, and rivers. He feels excited. A woman sits next to him. She smiles and says, "Hello, where are you going?" Tom answers, "I am going to the city to visit my friend." They talk during the trip. The woman tells Tom about the city. She says, "The city is big and busy. Be careful. Keep your bag close." Tom thanks her. After many hours, Tom arrives in the city. He steps out of the train. The station is very big and full of people. He feels a little scared. He walks outside. There are tall buildings, many cars, buses, and bright lights. People walk quickly on the streets. Tom is amazed. He thinks, "My town is so small. This city is like another world." He looks at the letter again. David's address is on it. Tom wants to take a bus, but he does not know which bus. He asks a man, "Excuse me, which bus goes to Green Street?" The man answers, "Bus number 5. Tom finds the bus and gets on. On the bus, Tom sits near the window. He is tired. He looks at the city outside. After some time, he arrives at the bus stop. He gets off. Suddenly, he looks down. His bag is not with him. Tom is shocked. "Oh no, my bag is on the bus," he says. He runs after the bus, but it is too late. The bus goes away. Tom feels sad. His clothes, his bread, and his book are all inside. But most important, the letter with David's address is also in the bag. Now Tom does not know where to go. Tom sits on a bench. He feels lost. Then he remembers the kind woman from the train. She said, "Keep your bag close." He feels sorry, but suddenly someone touches his shoulder. Tom turns around. It is David. "Tom, is that you?" David says with a big smile. "David, how did you find me?" Tom asks. David laughs. I was waiting at the bus stop. I thought you would come, and here you are. Tom feels very happy. He forgets about the bag. He hugs his friend. David takes Tom to his home. It is a small apartment, but it is warm and nice. David gives Tom tea and food. Then they go out together. They walk in a big park with green trees and flowers. They see children playing and people walking dogs. After that, they visit a museum. Tom looks at paintings and statues. He feels amazed. In the evening, they eat pizza in a restaurant. Tom tastes pizza for the first time. He says, "This is delicious." David laughs and says, "Welcome to the city, my friend." The next day, Tom and David walk again in the city. Tom feels happy and safe. But soon it is time to go home. Tom goes to the train station. David comes with him. Tom says, "Thank you, David. I lost my bag, but I found something more important. I found a great day with my friend." David smiles and says, "Come again soon." Tom gets on the train. He looks out the window. The city becomes smaller and smaller. Tom feels tired, but his heart is full of joy. He knows he will never forget his journey to the city. I hope this story made you feel calm and warm. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. New stories and new journeys will be waiting for you here.